Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing the Ipod Pro and host device. Make sure the Ipod Pro battery is at least 20% and that the host device's Bluetooth and OS are updated. This prevents pairing failures. Once done, enable Bluetooth and keep both devices within 3 meters. If you plan a wired connection for charging or data transfer, plug in the Lightning or USB-C cable now. These steps reduce interruptions and let you move straight into discovery and pairing without backtracking. You now initiate pairing and configure advanced options. On mobile, open Settings, tap Bluetooth, and choose the Ipod Pro from the device list. On Mac, open System Settings and connect from Bluetooth. If a PIN prompt appears, try 0000 or confirm the code shown. That secures the link. Once paired, make sure audio routing and microphone settings are set for the Ipod Pro so calls and media use the device. If you need to transfer files, use Finder or the host file app. You finish by confirming the connection and resolving common faults. Test audio playback and microphone in a native app. Adjust volume and input selection if sound is missing. If pairing fails, restart both devices, turn Bluetooth off and on, then repair. If that fails, perform a factory reset on the Ipod Pro and try again. Make sure to use a wired connection to restore firmware or recharge rapidly when software recovery is needed. This last step solves most stubborn connectivity problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.